The ultimate goal of hair research is to extend your hair's life during its strongest growth phase. Thyroxine showing a great promise in this area. Let's find out why.
I'm Dr. Sajjad Khan. For over 25 years, I've seen thousands of my clients enjoy the confidence that comes from having great looking hair.
Topical thyroxine increases the average lifespan of the hair by prolonging the anagen growth phase in three different ways. First, topical thyroxine stimulates hair cells to grow and multiply. Second, it downregulates the TGF beta 2 genes, which are responsible for suppressing hair growth. And third, it inhibits apoptosis, the pre-programmed cell demise in the hair matrix. Topical thyroxine also increases hair pigmentation by encouraging melanin synthesis in the follicle, preventing premature graying. Our topical cream is formulated to prolong the anagen growth phase, and faithful daily use can extend your hair's natural lifespan for years to come. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. Also, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button to keep up to date on other trending issues. Thanks for watching.